Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make the best Greek salad. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need 2 large, ripe tomatoes, 1 crisp cucumber, and 1/2 of a red onion. Don't forget about 1 green bell pepper, 1/2 cup of Kalamata olives, and 4 ounces of authentic feta cheese. We'll also prepare a simple, flavorful dressing. Now, let's prepare our fresh vegetables. Start by dicing your 2 large tomatoes and 1 cucumber into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Next, thinly slice 1/2 of a red onion and 1 green bell pepper. The thinner the slices, the better the texture. Once everything is prepped, combine all these colorful vegetables in a large mixing bowl. This forms the delicious base of our salad. With our vegetables ready, it's time to assemble the salad. Add 1/2 cup of rich, briny Kalamata olives to the bowl. Then, crumble 4 ounces of authentic, creamy feta cheese directly over the top of the vegetables and olives. This adds a wonderful salty tang. Gently toss all the ingredients together to ensure everything is evenly distributed. The final touch is our simple, yet flavorful, dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of good quality extra virgin olive oil and 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. Season this with 1/2 teaspoon of dried oregano and a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Pour the dressing over your beautiful Greek salad and serve immediately for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.